Hey guys, are you want to buy best car GPS trackers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car GPS trackers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at LandAirSea 54 GPS Tracker. The LandAirSea 54 GPS Tracker is a compact yet powerful solution for real-time location tracking. Designed for versatility, it attaches easily to vehicles, ATVs, golf carts, or other valuable assets. With updates as fast as every 3 seconds, it delivers precise tracking through Google Maps via the SilverCloud app or web platform. Users also benefit from historical playback of up to 1 year, making it ideal for monitoring movement patterns. Its motion-activated technology conserves battery life by entering sleep mode when inactive, while the discreet design and strong internal magnet ensure secure placement. Built by LandAirSea, a trusted USA-based pioneer in GPS technology, the device comes with an unconditional lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. A subscription is required, with flexible plans starting at just $9.95 per month when prepaid, and no contracts for hassle-free cancellation. For reliable, discreet, and accurate tracking, the LandAirSea 54 stands out as a dependable choice. Now our second product is TrackiPro GPS Tracker for vehicles. The TrackiPro GPS Tracker is a powerful, long-lasting solution for professional-grade tracking needs. Equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, it delivers 2 to 7 months of use per charge, extending up to 200 days in battery-save mode, outperforming most competitors. Its rugged, waterproof design and industry-leading strong magnet allow discreet placement under vehicles, while multiple mounting accessories add flexibility for cargo, scooters, bikes, and fleet management. Offering unlimited 4G LTE coverage with fallback to 3G per 2G in over 180 countries, it ensures global connectivity. Beyond GPS, it integrates Wi-Fi tracking via Google's database for accurate indoor positioning. Supporting multiple satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, QZSS, it guarantees precise location data. Real-time alerts for speed, geofencing, and movement are available through the intuitive Tracki app on Android, iOS, or web browsers. With a lifetime warranty and simple setup, TrackiPro is a reliable, durable, and advanced anti-theft tracker ideal for both personal and professional use. Our third product is Planetbod GPS Tracker for vehicles. This Apple Find My compatible tracker blends advanced technology with user-friendly design for seamless global tracking. By tapping into Apple's vast network of 100M+ devices, it offers worldwide location updates without subscription fees, making it an excellent choice for international travelers or logistics management. Its hybrid tracking system combines Bluetooth beeping within 200 feet for quick recovery with GPS mapping beyond that range, ideal for everything from lost keys to stolen vehicles. Privacy is paramount, with AES 256 end-to-end encryption ensuring data remains completely secure. Setup is quick, just pair via Bluetooth in minutes, and the device supports both iOS and Android, complete with smart alerts and location history logs for added convenience. Built tough with an IP67 waterproof rating, it withstands submersion and extreme temperatures. The replaceable battery lasts up to a year, making it reliable for long-term use. Compact yet rugged, this tracker is a subscription-free, secure, and versatile solution for personal and professional needs. Now number 4, Koyetubs Mini GPS Tracker for vehicles. This real-time GPS tracker offers reliable and precise location updates, delivering peace of mind to vehicle owners. With instant tracking via smartphone, you can always stay informed of your vehicle's whereabouts. Setup is quick and effortless, just insert a SIM card, place the tracker, and monitor through the user-friendly app. Flexible update intervals from 30 seconds to 10 minutes allow customized monitoring based on your needs. Despite its powerful performance, the device is impressively compact, measuring just 1.1 by 1.1 by 0.53 inches and weighing only 0.35 ounces, making it discreet and highly portable. Its global GSM compatibility ensures reliable coverage across borders, ideal for both domestic and international travel. Advanced anti-theft features, including vibration alerts, electronic fence notifications, and sound monitoring, provide extra layers of protection. Best of all, there are no monthly subscription fees, making it an affordable, secure, and efficient tracking solution for vehicles and valuables. And our last choice is Bouncie GPS Tracker for vehicles. This real-time OBD GPS tracker is a smart solution for both personal vehicles and fleet management, offering precise, up-to-the-minute location updates with unlimited trip history and detailed route tracking. Beyond location, it delivers valuable driving insights by monitoring speed, hard braking, acceleration, and idle time, making it ideal for promoting safer driving habits. A standout feature is its continuous vehicle health monitoring, which tracks diagnostic engine data to alert you of potential maintenance issues before they escalate, reducing costly downtime. With customizable geofencing, you'll receive instant alerts when a vehicle enters or exits defined areas, while built-in impact detection provides immediate SMS notifications in the event of an accident. Installation is effortless, as it plugs directly into the OBD2 port of most vehicles made after 1996. For just $9.65 per month with no hidden fees or contracts, this tracker delivers a reliable, affordable, and safety-focused solution for vehicle monitoring. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.